morning. Oh. Okay. Oh. Ladies and gents, the plan today is to prepare a nice harsha. It's like a Moroccan bread. But please low heat. You need to add a little bit semolina, just a little bit that it won't stick. We prepare harsha. This is the semolina, 3 glasses of semolina, a good dose of butter, like 3-4 spoons. You need to heat the butter in the microwave. And that's it, it should be ready. Just like this, we add to the semolina. Add water, or you may add milk if you want, but I prefer always milk. Then baking powder with salt. You can mix with your hand, you can mix with a stick, feel free. To flip it upside down. Let's do it. Here it is, very well cooked. It was a second. I like to decorate. I make a knot like this. I make the knot here. Need to secure the knot like this. Knot is ready. Here it is. And here also I need to get this one from here. This one has to come like this. I'll have to give this fingerprint here. Well, this is how I spend my morning and the day goes. Yes, stick around. This cheese you can find only in Izmir with oil. Some black cumin seeds. Here it is. This is this part. This guy is selling melon. This is hoş geldiniz. Typical Turkish Akarca breakfast. You can see the meat inside. Tarçın is there. Bread, melon, apricots, everything you may desire.